Come here. You gonna bring your car? Come here. Oh. Turn? Are you turning?
Turn around.
Good girl. What's in that box, Keisha? What's in the box? Go see Dada.
What's in here?
Oh.
What's inside? What's inside?
What is it?
Keisha. What's inside?
Oh.
What's inside?
Go look.
What's inside?
Oh.
Hurry. What's inside?
Oh. Keisha. Wow. What's in there? Oh, what's that? It's a book. Oh. Uh-oh. What's that? Wow. What's that? It's a nice book, hey, Keisha? Wow. Oops.
Okay, Tim.
Wow.
What else is in here?
Bubble wrap. Yay.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, Keisha.
That is heavy. Do you need help?
Wow. Oh.
You want the other bubble wrap. What else did you get?
What's that?
What's that?
What's that? Those for your bath?
Bath toys?
Wow. Oh. An alligator? What are you looking for?
Hippo.
Hippo? Wow! It's an elephant.
Bird.
What's that?
Parrot. One more. Tiger.
Ah. Yay!
You want to put them back?
Good girl.
Good.
I want to see what's in that big thing that Dada's
Yeah.
holding.
Let's see what this is.
Keisha, what's that Dada has? What's that? Oh my goodness, Keisha. Look. That's so cute. Keisha. Trying to get your toys? Here. Look what Dada has. Keisha.
Keisha, what's this?
Whoa. What's that? Wow. Wow. You have your very own ladybug. That's so cool. You can sit on it. You gonna walk with it? What are you gonna do? You gotta pick up your alligator? Keisha. Yeah. You like those little bath toys, eh? Keisha? What's this?
I'm gonna try to ride on it.
Ooh. Oh, whoops.
Here you go.
Whoa.
To this part.
Can you reach? Can your feet reach? There. That's so fun. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Thanks, Uncle Ty. That's cool. Wow.
Can you see what else is in here?
Whoa.
What else
What's
is in
that? This is amazing, Keisha.
there? What else is in your box?
Ooh.
What else is that?
What's that? He's putting them back in the box.
What is this?
What's that? Ooh, for decorating your room. Some stars in your room?
Stars.
Cool. That's fun. What else? I see a little car. You see the stars? Shake, 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 shake. What's that? Oh, car. Wow. Fridge rover. That can go in the fridge? Wow. Oh, another puzzle. Yeah. Cool shapes. That's great. You love puzzles. You're trying to pick them up. They're
Yeah, should
stuck
we
right
open
now.
it?
Wow. Wow. Look at this car, Keisha.